Power out, carb heat. Couple more knots out of there. Be too fast over the runway. No, no power. Good. We're on glide path right now.
We're at 70 now, so yeah.
Okay.
We're good.
B is good, keep it right there. Still on glide path. Bring it to the right slightly.
There's 60.
Okay. There you go, nice job.
No problem. All right, all right, all right. Santa Ynez traffic, Skyhawk 7164 Golf, turning right on taxiway Delta Santa Ynez traffic. RP it in, flaps up.
Carb heat in, flaps up.